Hello, my dear friend, how are you today? So my name is Savitri. Once again, I'm here making a video about foreign currency exchange market. Okay, so I have some figures and geometry that will help you if you are really into it and you want to make your living by trading. Then I think this video will definitely help you. Okay, so how people make money by buying or selling in the market? How? So there is some video, I mean, this structure you can see buy limit, okay, sell limit. What do you mean by that? So I will show you in the next slide that how this limit, you expect the market to go up, right? Because the structure is already, this market will always do a little bit of pullback, and you're pretty sure once it's pulled back after the Fibonacci retracement, you already measure what's going to happen is you definitely can take a trade. Okay, you can just make an entry point from here and still market will go. Okay, buy limit, and this is what like buy stop works. Okay, through the top you can still take a trade, and the sell limit, yeah, you can start taking from here and then through the floor, through the top, through the floor. Okay, support and resistance. So this is how the bounce at the floor, which is, this is called support, and this is actually a resistance for this structure. Okay, so let us go to the next slide, okay, which is geometry and the figures. So I have made a small slide for you so that it might help you. So markets figure, it's pretty big. Okay, it's very big. So candlestick and anatomy, I mean, what do you mean by candlestick? There are some traditional candlestick, and there are like very new kind of candlestick. Okay, so you can see there are, number one, this is the high high candlestick closes here. Okay, it opens here. This is actually there are different types of candlesticks, and they actually tell us whether this market is going upwards or downwards. Okay, so top shadow, you can see top shadow. Okay, so a real body, this is called real body, this is a body. Okay, this is hollow, and this is actually full. You can see this is full. Okay, so, and you can say you can green or you can have green or blue, red. Okay, there are different types of candlesticks. Okay, so what is position? Okay, so long versus short. So there is actually, I have made in a different language, which is, it might help you. So long means buy, short means sales. Okay, long means buy, short means sell. And there actually there is a long-term trades and short-term trades. Okay, what do you mean by that? Once again, so people scalp, like personally I do scalp a lot. Okay, I also do binary option trading. So that is absolutely, I mean, very exciting, because you know the result very quickly. You don't have to wait that much. So what kind of like candlesticks types? There are different types of candlesticks, guys. Absolutely different types of candlesticks. Decision and indecision candlestick. There are some candlesticks help you to decide whether market will go towards upward or market will go towards downward. But some candlesticks, they're confusing, right? That's why we need to make sure that you can see Morubujo. Okay, very my favorite type of candlestick. So Morubujo is actually kind of long body and rarely shadow. It doesn't have any shadow, and it's like, you can see the white means bullish. Okay, and then black is bearish. So I would give you some example. What there are some points or some technical terms in trading that you will be learning in this session. So bullish means market is going towards buying direction. Okay, and bearish, market is going towards selling direction, which is called, you know, towards downwards. So you can see, so position continuous pattern or reverse indicator, and position continuous pattern on, I mean, this is how it works. Maruboju candlestick. Okay, so there is another type of candlestick is called spinning top. What do you mean by spinning top? So you can see this kind of candlesticks. This is bearish, and this is bullish, and this is bearish. Okay, so short body and both shadows with same size. It can be bearish or it can be bullish. Okay, it can be bearish, it can be bullish, and bullish actually is, you can see the position reverse to the bullish, bearish position reverse to the bearish. So pretty, I mean, pretty straightforward. There is nothing to, but this kind of spinning top means you can see there is kind of two tails up there. Okay, doji candles, very, very careful on these candles, because people actually make a lot of mistake while identifying this kind of candles, and then probably they get into the market, lost a lot of money. Okay, so open and closes at same price. See, open and closes at same price means they start, they go, and they disappear. I mean, immediately there will be different candlesticks. I mean, it's like there is just a tail is there. Okay, there is no any body. Those kind of candlesticks are called doji candles. Okay, there is no bullish nor bearish. It's neither bullish nor bearish because of this. They can have some shadow. You can see there is some shadow in here. Low liquidity price indicator means that in this case the buyer and sellers are actually struggling to identify the direction of the market. Okay, probably they're fighting with each other. It's like a supply and demand is actually happening at the same time. And here hammer and hanging man. Okay, so pretty exciting. Okay, this one is pretty good, I would say, because you can see long bearish shadow. There is a long bearish shadow. You can also see 2 or 3 times longer than body. You can see, here we go, 1, 2, 3. The tail is longer than the body. Okay, and the bearish, this is the bullish. You can see this is bullish, this is bearish, this is hammer. Okay, you can see how the hammer looks like, hanging man. Okay, so someone is hanging a man with a tail, right, long tail. That's how it is. You can see, hopefully it's making sense. So inverted hammer and shooting star, this kind of candlestick also helps you, like long, I would say they also look like just the opposite of a hammer. You know, you can see that it's inverted hammer. Yeah, exactly, just the opposite, inverted. And exactly, this is the white one is bullish and the black one is bearish. You can see, and the position can be, it also indicates the market can go to the direction where the market, you know, closed it. So this close. Okay, open, close. Okay, so bearish, inverted hammer, shooting star, so they have a different meanings. So candlestick continuous pattern, there are some patterns that will help you to determine where the market will move or make a move in the next direction, or make a move, it will move in a different direction. When. Okay, so you can see there's some pictures I have got from the internet. Okay, which is like, obviously, so it is quite confusing for you right now, but definitely you will understand that how this market, you know, can actually, this candlestick helps you to identify the direction of the market. Okay, so what is market geometry? Okay, let's go ahead. So actually market geometry is like, you can see double top, head and soldier, rising wave, wedge. So these are some of the indicators that market will make, or market will, you know, make, and then you can identify the which direction the market can go. Number one, double top, you can see it's like M, I would say M and W. So it's a W is not here, but I will take this one as a W. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3. It's a W form and this M form. So basically, when market has started from here, went up, two top is there, double top. Okay, this is called double top. Stop, and then entry. What is you? This is a target. You will make some money, obviously, because market is showing that it will go to the bearish movement. And head and shoulders pattern, again, head and shoulders pattern once again. So this also indicates that market will go to the bearish movement. Okay, and what do we mean by rising waves? So rising waves means like you will make a waves. Okay, when the waves, you can see this, when they collide together, they will obviously make like they combine, or there will be kind of waves here. So in this kind of pattern, again, market geometry or whatever you call, market tend to move towards downside, okay, which is bearish movement. So another one, exactly the opposite, okay, double bottom, inverse head and shoulder, falling wedges. What do you mean by that? So here we go. So when the market is, I'll actually show you in the live chart, okay, in a while. So double bottom, once again, double bottom, okay, there is two double bottom, you can see stop, and that's the neckline. You can see the red line is a neckline, and then entry point is there, and you will actually, the market will move a bullish movement, okay. So inverse head and shoulder, once again, there is a target, okay, it's like, again, it's a buying. See, the same exactly opposite waves, okay, it's a falling wave, it's a not upside wave. If it's upside, it will, market will go down. If it's a falling wave, market will go up. Okay, so this is very, very simple to understand, but people will sometimes fail, okay, otherwise, because they don't really analyze market properly. So what do you mean by triangles? I mean, this is again a market geometry, that how you can actually understand the market movement. Okay, what will be the next movement, so that you can take a right entry and make some P. You can make living out of it. Okay, you don't have to work for money if you understand this once. If you understand this once. So descending and symmetrical. So once again, here you can see it's ascending triangle. Okay, this is ascending triangle, and this kind of pattern will help you. Number one, to it can go either buy or sell. That's what it is. You can see that this one is blue, this is green, descending. You can make you can still make money. Symmetrical triangle, same. You can see how the market is going. Okay, so it's all triangles are here. These are triangles making some triangular movement. But yeah, you can either you can make sell, either you can sell or buy. Okay, and falling waves, rectangle, I mean, obviously it's kind of Y. You can see it's a Y. See, it's a Y. Okay, bullish pennant. So falling wedges is this is falling wedges. This is bullish rectangle. Okay, and then this is bullish pennant as well. Okay, so pennant is something I would say there is a long market has actually take a movement of this bullish, and then finally it's like made of waves. Okay, so just we'll check this in a live session, a live market in a while. Rising wedges, once again, if it's rising, definitely market is going to fall down. It's like there is how many, there is rectangle, how many rectangle, 1 2, I mean, this is equal highs and lows, means that market has some kind of rectangle bearish movement, then the potentially the market is going downwards. Okay, bearish pennant, once again, here we go. All you have to do is identify how this wedges is formed. Most probably it says closing. Okay, here market is going towards downwards. And don't take it wrong, sometimes it may not happen as well. It's because of the news, because of this so many volatility. Okay, so that's why you have to be very cautious when you enter the market, making sure that your indicator is helping you to identify. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, so hopefully you got some value out of that candlesticks and some market geometry, and I'll make another video and I'll see you next video. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon.